In this video, we will see what is React. React is an open source front-end JavaScript library for building user interfaces or UI components. Yes, ReactJS is used for mainly focused on the UI-based library. It is maintained by the Facebook and a community of individual developers and companies. So here are the question. Why React? React is component-based library. Everything in React is a component-based. So you can learn more about this in while you are learning the React.js. It uses JSX syntax. JSX syntax means so first of all we will see what is JSX. JSX is a combination of JavaScript and XML, so that inside the HTML code you can write the JavaScript variable or JavaScript code. Inside the JavaScript code you can return the HTML syntaxes. It can also be used to build SPA. SPA means single page applications. So SPA applications are not going to refresh anymore, because all we need is we have to change the components based on our needs. A lot of features like routing and all ES6 features are supported in React. Because React is a completely JavaScript based library, so that all the features that you are used in ES6 like array mapping and method binding are also used in React.js also. What is the basic structure of website? In web development, we have an index.html page and a styles.css and script.js. We will write HTML code inside the HTML page, and the styles of that HTML code will contain the inside the CSS file. And to manipulate that both files, we use script.js file. But when it comes to React app structure, all are based on the component based. So there is no conflict. Component means simply as a division in HTML. So inside the main division, like app.js, we have navbar.js, and inside the navbar.js, under that we have profile card and a chart.js. So here is the structure. Inside the app.js file, we have navbar.js and profile card.js and chart.js. We will end this statement like this. You will learn more about the adding the components and creating components while we are going inside our course. What is component-based architecture? Component-based architecture allows us to divide the entire application into simple components. So if you see the Facebook homepage, we have an navbar component and a profile card component and a post card component. So how they are communicate between each other? The profile card component will communicate with the post card because it is sharing the same profile picture, or the profile picture will be changed based on the user's data. So also we have the about component and a community component and a friends list or page list component. So this is how Facebook homepage is managed. This is what the component based architecture will look like. Hello and welcome to this video. So in this video we will see what is the basic setup for creating our React application. To create the React application, we need the Node.js runtime environment to be installed in your system. To install the Node.js, go to this website called nodejs.org and download the latest release from the website and install it. To check whether Node.js is installed in your system or not, go to the command line and type the command node. If it shows the welcome to Node.js with a version number, then you are successfully installed Node.js on your system. And after that, the code editor which is used for this course is Visual Studio Code. This is very useful code editor to creating React application. It also contains some snippets which are very helpful to write the better code with React. In next video, we will see how to create React application and how to write the hello world in React.js. In this video, we will see the folder structure of our React.js application. React.js application is mainly contains 3 folders. One folder is node modules folder that is created when we run our npm start command. And after that, you can see a public folder and a source folder. Inside this public folder, we have our index.html file and a manifest.json file. This index.html file is our only HTML file inside our React project. And, and after that, inside the source folder, we have our app.cs file and app.js file. This app.js file contains the styles that are used to be in app.css file. This app.test.js file, you can learn more about this in further tutorials or when we go deep into this React courses. So after that, you can see an index.js file. This logo.svg file will be our animated logo when we have created our React application. And all these files are not necessary for now. And here you can observe we have one file called .gitignore. Any file that are declared inside this gitignore file will not be uploaded into the GitHub project. And a package.json file will contain all the dependencies that are used in our React project. So for now, we are going to cleaning our project a little bit. First of all, go to this index.html file, and here you can change our project name. And after that, go to this source folder and delete this index.css file. And after that, we can also delete our logo.svg. And inside this index.js file, remove the reference index.css file. And go to this app.js and remove this logo.svg reference and save it. So in coming next videos, we will see what is JSX and how it will be used inside our React projects.